This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News. Today we're looking at an outlet strip. Now this isn't just any outlet strip. A lot of you have got outlet strips, and you can see it right here. It's a 6-outlet strip. But this one's just a little bit different. This is a surge protector. This is from Accell, A-C-C-E-L-L, Accell. And what this guy is a surge protector that gives you a lot of surge protection with this one. It's a very high rated surge protection. But it also has two, let me see if you can see this here on the camera, two USB ports, all in one. But it also has one more cool thing. It has the rotating plugins. So if we have got wall warts and such, we can take these all the way over to 90 degrees to the side and be able to plug things in to the sides and one in front and then to the sides. So we can go through and plug in a lot of different things. And again, I think you guys can see that. Check that out. We can turn these around. It gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, this has actually been in our office for about, I'm going to say almost 2 months. Now, typically when I get something in, I do a video with it within a week or so. But this one's been a little bit longer because I wanted to take this out on the road and test this out. This has gone to 3 different shows recently with us. And the big reason why I wanted to test this out is not only because I wanted to see how these would work after being used and turned and such, because they would get turned multiple times on each trip, but I also wanted to test the USB charging station that's on this thing, that's built into it. Now, a lot of us know that some of the USB devices are taking more and more energy. It used to be that there was a 1 amp, 5-volt 1 amp output that was popular for a while with the smaller, older phones. Then it's gone to 2, and then there were some that are a combination. Well, this one gives you a solid 2 amps of charging power here. It's not that it's 2 amps divided over the 2 outlets. No, you're getting 2 amps from each one. So this can charge your bigger devices, your tablets, your modern cell phones. You can charge that with this, and it'll do a nice job with that. And again, surge protection. So everything, the computer you plug in here, in our case, camcorders, chargers, all those different things are all completely protected from any kind of weird, funky things going on. So this is the PowerGenius 6 rotating outlets, dual USB, surge protection, outlet strip. Everything's here. It's going to take care of you. Check it out. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go and find out more information about this and find spots to purchase.